Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am gonna show you how you can add text on your Wix website. Once you have logged in your Wix dashboard, and then on the left panel here you can see this option. Just click on settings. And then on the right side here you will see this option. Now we are going to text. Just click on this. And here you can see text upgrade to automate text. For automatic text we need to update it, so we are going to free. For that just go to the bottom and here you can see add location. Just click on this. We are going to do this in manually and select your country. For example, I am going to select USA, and here you can select all of the state of USA. For example, I am going to select just 1, 2, 3 state. You can select all of them, and let's click on add. Okay, it's added. Now if I click on this state, and here you can see shipping and delivery. For shipping and delivery I am going to add 8% tax, and for the product I am going to add 10%. And after that just click on save. We have added tax for Alaska state. You can add for other state. So this is how you can add tax on your Wix store. Thanks for watching. If this video helpful, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.